Let me introduce you to the Magegee Light87 wireless mechanical keyboard. But first you get a keycap puller, cord, and the blue whale switches that are hot swappable. And of course your dongle. This has tri-mode connection along with a 75% layout. And with the RGB backlight you get a lot of different light settings. I really am liking the two-tone keys and then the front printed keycaps on this. Overall, a fun, affordable keyboard. Before we do that sound test, I would appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you in that next review video. And as always, thanks for watching.